Well, today we're out here on Lake Mead again with the Bris BSK430 kayak boat, 14 foot. If you've watched our past tutorial on how to set the boat up, you're kind of familiar with what it looks like. It does come with 3 bench seats, carries 2 adults, 1 child, and it is rated for a maximum horsepower of 8 horsepower. Now today I'm going to be using a 30-pound Thrustman Coda trolling motor just to kind of give you a spectrum of what it can do. I'll probably throw the bigger motor on as well, but I want you to see what it can do with a trolling motor as well. So let's see what it can do. So as you can see, this kayak boat is doing really well. I mean, again, I'm only using a 30-pound thrust Minn Kota trolling motor. I didn't want to get the 50, the 40, the 86. I wanted you to see what it could do with the bare minimal. Because, you know, some people are on a budget, and there's nothing wrong with that. You know, you can purchase the boat, you're looking at $600, another $100 for the motor, and you're on the water. As I always state, I mean, shore fishing is great, but when the bite isn't there, what do? Well, you can get in something like this, crank her up to 5, and I mean, it's getting about roughly 4 to 5 miles per hour. You know, right now I'm going up, you know, against the current, against the wind. It's approximately 300 pounds of people on here, plus our gear. And it does really well. It handles really well. It's very stable. Now, of course, with this not having an inflatable keel, this being a flat bottom boat, you're not going to really get up on plane. But it does have 4 fins on the bottom, which is going to help give you some direction. And it's working really well. As I stated, I'll throw the bigger motor on here a little bit later and really crank it up and let you see what she can do. You know what, folks? I made a mistake. This boat gets up on plane. say enough about this kayak boat. I'm out here on Lake Mead and just having the time of my life. I mean, this drop stitch airfloor is really impressing me. It's very stable. It's not going anywhere. The stability of the boat is absolutely great. The shark fins on the bottom helps, keep direction. I'm ready to do some fishing.